folks, I'm Rod with Johnson RV, and we're inside the showroom today. I'm very happy to take a few minutes to review this new arrival. This is a 2022 Winnebago Solis 59P. And what's made this van so attractive is the versatility of the coach itself. This has seating for 4 people up front and sleeping for 4, all in a little 18-foot van. This super little coach. It's a ProMaster Dodge chassis. As we walk around, this makes available the sleeping range for 4 because it has a pop top. I'll show you that when we get inside. Come on around and show you a little overview of the outside. Come around the back and show you this amazing open garage approach to the rear of the van. This allows you to put bikes inside, kayaks. It's just amazing. You have a bed here that drops down and creates sleeping space for 2 across the interior here. Excellent storage. You have storage compartments here, storage across the way, down below. Easy hookups for your water. You have outside shower from the back of the coach. You also have an outside shower for the front, the passenger side. So we'll show you that in a minute again. Again, hitched and ready to tow. This will tow up to about 3,000 pounds comfortably. This has your cassette-style toilet, and this makes a real nice situation if you're liking to camp in those remote areas and there's not a place to dump your black water tank. You have this little cassette toilet. You bring this out. This allows you to dump your tanks into any pit toilet if you're at a remote campground, rest stops, that sort of thing. Just like that. Power connections to here, your dump station below. And we'll just continue to work our way around to the front. Good looking. This particular one is in the silver color. It comes in several colors. This one is in silver. Let's go inside and take a look at the seating and sleeping room. Now as we step in, I mentioned that you have seating for 4. You've got 2 here with shoulder strap seat belts. So if you're taking young people along with you, they've got a place to sit, maybe a car seat. There goes the phone. These seats swivel around from the front and create a nice living space. This swivels around and you can have a nice place to sit across from each other, that sort of thing. And then in the back, let's go ahead and show you this real quick. There's so many things I can show you. I can spend all day in here, but I want to show you this bed setup. And then we'll back off and show you the bathroom. And there's your bed. Now, I'm about 6'4", so it's close for me, but I can sleep on it. So if you have tall people, that works just real well. I love how your refrigerator is located here. I'm going to back you up a little bit there. Your refrigerator is here, so it's accessible from outside on the patio. And then you come around, you've got a nice 2-burner stovetop. There you go. And a stainless sink with a pull-out table for extra workspace. And then across the way is your bathroom stall. This actually does have a shower and toilet situation. You have a little bar here, you can hang wet things, and it can dry in there. So, again, sleeping for 4, seating for 4 up front. Now, we're going to do this. I'm going to open this up. I think we can get in here and open that up. Let's see. Let's give it a good nudge. And there is your upstairs bedroom. You spot back in there. We've got it all sewn up right now, but comfortable for 2 adults to sleep in there. And it's accessed by a ladder, so you can just swivel the table out of the way here, and your ladder comes right across here. What a versatile little Class B motorhome. Again, about 19 feet long. It parks anywhere. It can go anywhere, and we hope you'll come and see us and see it soon. I'm Rod at Johnson RV, 503-668-5400.